Description: infused with nourishing hemp seed oil and protein-rich hemp extracts, this multitasking, color-safe conditioner and luxurious body lotion hydrates from head to toe with a balancing, nature-immersive aromatherapy experience. Benefits: color-safe, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free. Suggested use: hair. Massage into hair. Leave on for up to 2 minutes. Rinse off completely. Skin. Apply to damp skin. Can be rinsed off or left on skin for added hydration. Top reviews from the United States. Great conditioner. I haven't used this as a lotion because I can't fathom it not being flaky or weird on my skin. It works great as a conditioner. My hair is dry and damaged from bleaching for fun colors, and I try to rehydrate or repair as best I can. This makes a great hydrating conditioner. It smells fresh like tea tree and keeps my hair looking nice for a few days.